Dear student, in today's online classes, I will teach for senior student 11th and 12th about English writing. In English writing, in the last videos, I am teaching you articles. So, your questions is Sumit Diary has the following notes. Based on the given notes and with your own ideas, write an article in about 150 to 200 words. Okay? On a child labor are real abuse to humanity. So first of all, to write an article you need an heading. आपको हेडिंग आवश्यकता पड़ती है, तो योर हेडिंग इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन में दी गई है, आप लिखोगे चाइल्ड लेबर आर रियल एब्यूज टू ह्यूमैनिटी. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टूड द पॉइंट. बी कमजोर सेमी क्लियर चिल्ड्रन आधे मिट्टी में सने हुए बच्चे वर्किंग रोड साइड ढाबा में काम करते हैं, निखिल प्लेटिंग फैक्ट्री में काम करते हैं, स्मॉल गर्ल्स वर्किंग इन ब्रिक किल्स जो छोटे लड़कियां होती हैं वो भट्टों में काम करती हैं, फील्ड खेतों में. ये सौर सेन ये आंखों के लिए बहुत ही दुख दर्द वाला दृश्य होता है. दे शुड हैव बीन टू स्कूल, स्कूल होना चाहिए. पॉवर्टी लार्ज फैमिली, इसके काफ़ी रीजन हो सकते हैं. गरीबी, दे आर वेरी पुअर एंड दे आर आल्सो लार्ज फैमिली. चाइल्डहुड स्नेच, ऐसा प्रतीक होता है कि चाइल्डहुड हैज स्नैच्ड फ्रॉम दिस चिल्ड्रन, इन बच्चों को छीन ली गई है. बाउंड्री लेबर, इट सीम ऐसा प्रतीक होता है दे आर बाउंड्री लेबर. चिल्ड्रन नीड टू बी लाइब्रेरी, बच्चों को होता है स्तंभ कराने की फ्रॉम दिस इन ह्यूमन लेबर से. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट एन हेडिंग. योर हेडिंग विल बी चाइल्ड लेबर आर रियल एब्यूज टू ह्यूमैनिटी. यू विल बिगिन नाउ लाइक दिस. हाँ, नाउ अडे बी सी मैनी बिग सेमी क्लियर चिल्ड्रन वर्किंग इन रोड साइड ढाबाज in a very inhuman conditions. Some of the children also works काम करते हैं इन निखिल प्लेटिंग फैक्ट्री में. I have seen many small girls working in black fields and some of them works in fields to increase the family income. When I saw them, so it seemed to me a sore scene to eyes. They should have been to school in reading and writing, but to work them there are many reasons. First of all, they are poor, poverty stricken people, and second reason is large families. They have large families, so they have to work. It seems ऐसा प्रतीक होता है childhood snatched from them, उनसे बचपन छीन लिया गया है. Boundary labor, they are worked as bonded labor, and it is the need of the hour that these children need to be liberated from this inhuman labor. Understand, student? Now I am understanding you again these questions. You will write first of all adding child labor are really abuse to human. And nowadays we see many big semi-clear children working in roadside dhabas, though the government has banned the child labours, but we see many children working still in these dhabas, and some of them works in a nickel plating factories. I have also seen many small girls working in brick kilns, and some of them work in field to increase their family income. It is a sore scene to the eyes. They should have been to school, but they are working in field. There are many reasons for that. First of them is poverty. Their family is very poor. They have a large family. उनके बड़ा परिवार होता है, and there are not so many person to earn the livelihood. So they have to work to increase the income of the family. It seems that childhood has been snatched from these children. They are worked as bonded labor. Now it is the need of the hours that the children need to be liberated from this inhuman labor. Dear student, it is only a homework. You have to write these questions in full in your copy. That's all in this video.